Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the password of a user account on Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Let's begin. Begin by opening the Start menu. Then select Settings. In Settings, open Accounts. From the left sidebar here, select Sign In Options. Now click on Password and then click the Change button. You will now need to enter your current password to continue. After that, you can enter your new desired password as well as a hint to help you remember it in case you forget. Click on Next once you've done that. Your new password will now be set and you will need to use it next time you log in to this user account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows tips and tricks.